This is note on new historicism. The note contains main terms and concept about new historicism. This is in easy language which will help you to understand the concept of new historicism. This new historicism emphasize the this connection, strong connection between this historical context and literature, and this concept emphasize that literature cannot be examined and reviewed without the historical context. The term coined by Stephen Greenblatt in early 1980